Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to install my stats plugin. The first thing we're going to do is download the actual plugin, so we'll go to my Bucket Dev page. The link is in the description if you haven't found it on the actual page already. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Files. This is where all the stats versions are at, and we will download the latest, which is currently version 1.08. We're going to go ahead and click it and click on download. Yes, I do. Now this only downloads the jar because that's the only thing changed in 1.08 was the jar. You can actually see the files over here. We're going to go grab the web end as well. The latest is in 1.07. We're going to let that download as well. So we have the jar already, and what you have to do with the jar is put it in your plugins folder. Now this is what a normal server looks like pretty much. You have your craftbucket.jar, your run file, and your plugins folder, and some worlds and stuff. We're going to go ahead into the plugins folder, and we're going to go and drop the plugin in. Now there's already one, of course, but if you'd have a new one, you'd drop it in. So you've dropped it in, and once you've started the server, this folder, the stats folder, will appear. In the stats folder there's a config file, and you should go ahead and open it. Now there is a MySQL password in, so I'm gonna make that black for you. But basically, this is what the file is, and you'll see I haven't updated even, but oh well. You have to enter a MySQL user, which in my case is stats. The password's herpderp because the host localhost and the port is 3306, which is default, just like localhost. Those are the defaults, and the database is Minecraft, also default. The prefix, you can pretty much leave this at whatever you like. The tables for the data, they will be created with this prefix. Now you have the version. Do not change it unless you want to update it. For example, if the latest version is 1.08, you want to have it re-download, just set it to something lower. Now this is the update value. If you set it to true, the plugin will automatically update for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Now the debug is probably not for you. It debugs queries and lots of other stuff. You don't really need that. Now the send stats to global server option enables or disables the sending of data to the global stats server, which I've created. The data will end up on the website centrinity.nl/stats/global, and you can just leave this to true, it doesn't really matter. Now the sent interval has been removed in the latest version, and ignore creative if you wanna not have the stats of creative players. You can set this to true, and it will ignore them. Now that was the config, and I see the web end has been downloaded. Now I am on a Windows PC over here, and I'm using XAMPP, and it works pretty well actually. And I'm gonna go ahead into my root folder of the website. This is my root folder. As you can see, there's already some stuff in here. I'm not really sure what it is. I can actually see that. Oh, that's the wrong website. It is. Apparently I have a WordPress website. Oh well, doesn't matter. Anyway, oh, there's already a stats folder. Oh, that's something completely different. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and create a new folder. Let's call it stats tutorial in my case, and I'm gonna open the zip, which opens in my second screen. Obviously, this also contains the plugin with a pre-generated folder. And the web end. The web end is for the website. This is in it, and you just gotta drop all of this into the folder you've just created. and that should do the trick. Now if you go to localhost /stats tutorial /stats _tutorial, we will see a, oh yeah, of course, a error because we have not configured it yet. We have to go to the config.php. I'm just going to open it with WordPad for a second. Now this is the default, these are all default. The database host is localhost. I'm not going to use root, I think it was stats with herpderp that I used. The database is Minecraft, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to set this to tutorial, and it doesn't really matter what you put in here. You can put anything in here, whatever you like. I'm just going to go ahead and save this and reload the page, and there we go. The stats have been loaded. Now, as you might see, the website is a bit it's just a bit ugly, but I'm working on a new version. There's actually several people working on a new version, and I can actually show you one. It's sent to me in a PM. No one has seen it yet, but you're gonna be the first one to see it. Let me see. It's in this conversation, and then no, that's the download. Crap, that one. This is what it might look like. Of course, this is not really needed. It's for this person's website specific, but I like the layout pretty much. What's this info? Ooh, yes, by me, by someone else. And alright, so that's what I might upload as well for you to use, but it hasn't been finished yet. So yeah, I'll keep you posted for new websites. And I was also working on something else. No, stats / bootstrap, and this is what I was working on, and it looks different. It's not finished. I mean, this has to go to the center over here, and well, this is just not styled really, but it is mostly functional, and well, yeah, that's pretty much what lies ahead. And I think the global has the default one, the normal one that has this website as well, but I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, it does. Look, with advertisings. So anyway, that is pretty much the web end. It's just simple as that. Drop it in, edit the config, you're done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Oh, there's actually something pretty cool. Look, if you these are my stats, and I've apparently broken 650. I'll just quickly show you that. It's fun. I'll go ahead and start my server. Yeah, sure. No, I don't want to move anything. I'm gonna go ahead and start Minecraft. Yeah, there it goes. It actually downloaded the update just now. Login. Local. Let's go. Yeah. Today, please. Yes, is this possible? Come on. Yes, there we go. Now, as you can see, it's currently on 734. We're gonna go ahead and find some stone. There it is. Gotta break some. And you will see it change in a second. The page updates every 10 seconds. So there we go, 770. And that's just what I wanted to show you. It automatically updates, so you don't have to hit the refresh button every single time. This has been a tutorial how-to and a little insight for the future of the stats plugin. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and favorite, subscribe, whatever, do whatever you like, and leave some feedback. That'd be great. If you find any bugs, you can report them to server mods, and then you have on this page you have tickets. There we go, tickets, and you can throw it in here. Now currently there's only tickets for the website, so yeah, nah. I'll fix that. Anyway, I hope you've found it useful, and I'll see you later.